Lot 226, the 1965 Jaguar E-Type Series 1 4.2-liter Roadster. Another terrific example, this time in carbon red over tan leather, likewise an original color combination to this chassis. Consider the covered headlights, synchronized transmission, comfortable seats, 4.2-liter engine, and all the refinements that make this the perfect storm of E-Type development, the 4.2-liter E-Type Roadster.
Thank you very much, Alan. I'm going to be bidding here at $100,000. We'd like to start me at $100,000 now. Thank you, sir. 100,000 I have. 125 anywhere now. I've got 100 bids, so I have 125,000. Thank you. On my right at 125,000. Do I have 150 now? I've got 125. That's selling on my right. $150,000 now. Do I have 175 now? I've got 150,000 bid here. On my left here at 150, 175. Thank you. 175,000. Do I have 200,000? Are you sure, sir? Just checking. You never know. $175,000. Well, I'm selling the car here on my right at just $175,000. If I have no better bid, ladies and gentlemen, no reserve, here to be sold at $175,000. Are we all done? All finished? The Jaguar E-Type at $175,000 then, last chance. It's going for the first time at $175,000. It's going for the second time, for the third and the last time. If we're all done, it's just $175,000 then. All done, all finished. Sold your car. 7241, $175,000. Thank you.